In this video, let me show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. If this is your first time trying to buy Bitcoin on the platform of Coinbase, let me show you on how it is done. Once you open up the platform or the app of Coinbase, you'll be able to see the option called buy or sell being displayed on the bottom, or straight away you can head over to the Bitcoin section also being visible, where you can tap on the buy button. But for easy purposes, you can tap on the buy and sell button first of all, and then select the Bitcoin option. Once you choose the Bitcoin option, you need to add in the exact dollar amounts of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and then you need to select a payment method. Depending upon what kind of payment method is available in your country, whether it be your linked bank account or your debit card, you need to select your option and then simply tap on buy now. As soon as you do that, your Bitcoin order will be placed and your Bitcoin will instantly appear on the Coinbase wallet. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.